Spinach can be grown from seeds in pots. But many times the seeds do not germinate. Also, if you grow spinach from seeds, you would be able to harvest spinach only after 2-3 months. You can also grow spinach from cuttings. Continue watching this video to know how to grow spinach in a pot in easy way using roots. Buy spinach from supermarket and cut its roots. You can regrow spinach from these roots or scraps quickly. You can place your spinach container indoors.